Welcome to Tech Research. In this video, we will see if you want to convert your text data as a handwritten format, and afterwards you can submit your assignment. For example, this is the book and some of the text is available. One of the paragraph or one of the chapter, I want copy this one and convert as a handwritten format. So no need to note down or write it. You just simply first of all study this paragraph or chapters. You can make your note with the help of your laptop, and afterwards you can, with the help of this video, you can very easily convert as a handwritten format. How we do exactly text to handwritten format? This is the Google. We can just simply put it here, text to handwritten, and enter. Even I added this link in video description. So look at this here. This is the platform text to handwritten. Convert is a free of artificial intelligence based human handwritten convert that easy convert your computer text to human handwritten text. It's easy. Apart from that, this one providing AI, human text, humanize AI text and YouTube thumbnail related information as well. We target today handwritten format. And look at this here. This is the platform. As a demo point of view, I just simply open here ChatGPT and I ask here can you write about the Research Rocks YouTube channel related information. So my contents related informations is displaying here. I just copy one of the paragraph and just simply select here and paste here. So look at this here. Research Rocks is a growing educational YouTube channel, official technology tutorial and so on. Best human written. So here we are receiving 1 to 14 option as a different handwritten format. So I just simply say here 2. So look at this, 2 handwritten format, 3. Sometimes some people are writing in different variation. Accordingly, here some features is available. Which features you like, accordingly you should decide. And okay, this my handwriting is look like this, so I can use this one. My handwriting look like this, so I should use this one. Accordingly, which font, which style your handwriting is a match, accordingly you should decide and then select. Afterwards, here the basic information is also available here, curly and handwritten or underline. So those features is coming here. You won't add here table, image, list, formula, import any other PDF, so you should import them. Here the font size, if I increase the font size like 28 and then simply enter, so my font size is automatically increased like a 28. So ink is available here, black ink, red ink, blue ink. So we can go here, blue ink. Page size default is in A4, and afterward generate the image. And look at this here, this image is a generate. You can download this image and open this image and let's see. So here we are receiving our image. So exactly this page comes in your notebook page. You can take a printout as it is and submit your assignment or tutorial using text-to-handwritten.com platform. Here you can download multiple files. If you are writing in multiple pages, download all images as a PDF format, clear images, and again generate new image as well. Text handwritten conversation related information is available here. This is one of the best and amazing platform I saw ever. You can put it here, any other text, enter here specially and put it here, and this information automatically generate here. Afterwards, you can very easily generate this information here. Look at this here, 1 paragraph, 2 paragraph, and even if you want blank page, so the entire page is a blank, no line is showing here. You can change the ink size as well, like a red, that one easy. You can add the line, so your page look like in notebook page. So it's easy and amazing. I already added this link in video description. You should click and come to here and fix your problem. This is the simple tips and tricks related on how we convert text to the handwritten format. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.